Abu Dujana, the turbaned hero of Uhud.
One day after finishing my homework, I was playing in my room. My mother had a burgundy shawl. I wrapped it around my head like a turban and strapped on my wooden sword. In front of me was a polytheists of Mecca. My tiny room was like Mount Uhud. I held the Archer's Hill, not letting Khalid ibn al-Walid pass. I was changing the course of history, preventing the deaths of Hamza and Musab. Just then, the bedroom door opened. When my mother saw me dripping with sweat,
"You've lost yourself in it again,"
she said. I still didn't break character, trying to get my mother into the game by saying, "Ladies, you treat the wounded."
"Your grandfather is calling you. He wants to talk."
I took a breath. Wiping my sweat with my burgundy turban, I went to my grandfather.
Well, grandson, where have you been?
I was at Uhud, Grandpa.
Bless my grandson. How did the battle go?
I stopped the archers from coming down I-named hill. I pushed Khalid ibn al-Walid back.
Bless you. Your burgundy turban suits you very well too.
Thanks, Grandpa.
You know, that burgundy turban reminded me of someone very special.
Who did it remind you of?
Abu Dujana.
Really? Aren't you going to tell me, Grandpa?
After looking at me for a while, my grandfather raised his head and began to tell the story with sadness.
Preparations were being made for the Battle of Uhud. The army had taken its place, and the Messenger of Allah was making the final checks. He looked at the sword in his hand and said, "Who will take this?" The companions all said in one voice, "Me, me." When the Messenger of Allah said, "On condition of giving the sword its due," many of them hesitated. Abu Dujana, however, stepped forward without hesitation, saying, "I will give it its due." The Messenger of Allah gave Abu Dujana his sword. Abu Dujana took out a red band. He wrapped it around his head like a turban. Then, drawing his sword, he marched forward with a swaggering gait. Those who saw his red band knew he had put on the band of death. They pitied the polytheists who would face him. Our beloved Prophet, observing his walk, said, "This walk is only beautiful in battle." Abu Dujana gave the sword its due in this battle. He fought until it broke.
When my grandfather said this last sentence, I was on the slopes of Uhud, with my mother's red scarf on my head and my wooden sword in my hand. I was walking with a swagger.
Abu Dujana, the turbaned hero of Uhud.